Introducing the KitchenAid Pro Line Series Electric Kettle. Inspired by the streamlined modern movement, the dome design and dual wall construction combine elegance with performance. Slide the variable temperature control level to your desired setting. LED lights indicate the exact temperature. Set on 100 degrees Celsius for full flavor extraction of your black and herbal teas. A little less for French press coffee. Or lower heat for green tea. The temperature gauge maintains precise readings even when the kettle is removed from the base. And the dual wall construction keeps the water hotter longer. Luxury and performance for your kitchen.
Cosori's electric glass kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen, so you can easily cook up something warm in the morning. The glass kettle gives you boiling water at the flip of a switch. The blue LED indicator light turns on when the water is boiling. It only takes 3 to 7 minutes to boil your water in the glass kettle, depending on how full it is. The British Strix thermostat technology adds more safety measures to the kettle, so your water boils quickly and safely. Boil dry protection turns off the kettle when it's empty, and it automatically turns off 30 seconds after it's done boiling. The kettle's wide mouth makes cleaning easier than ever. Speaking of cleaning, it's recommended that you descale your kettle once a week to remove any mineral deposits that have built up inside the kettle. To do that, simply fill the kettle with 1 cup of distilled vinegar or lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Then boil the water and let it soak in the kettle for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and wipe the lime scale away with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. After that, just rinse the kettle with clean water, dry it with soft cloth, and you're ready to start boiling again. The kettle is durably constructed with food-grade glass and a stainless steel lid and inner pot, so plastic never touches your water. For rapidly boiled water, safety measures, and durable construction, Cosori's electric glass kettle.